Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I've got a super neon orange set to show you. So here is that orange set and it's in the shade 522 and I believe it's from the company called Cloud Beauty and it's this gorgeous neon orange. I love it. It's bright, but it's very like pastel-y orange bright, if that even makes sense. I've never came across a color like this before, so it's absolutely amazing. The moment I saw it, I've also had the perfect glitter to match this set, so I was just like, I'm going ahead, I'm doing this set. It's a nice simple set, but I feel like it's so gorgeous. Right now I'm showing you guys my nude, and as you can see, it's a brand new bottle and I'm so excited. I absolutely love this. It's my third bottle, if not fourth. I literally lost track. It makes me so happy that I've got a new bottle. And quickly just to mention, it's the shade N17 from the company called Cloud Beauty as well. Just quickly as well, I've shown you those butterflies that I'll be using, so I'll be using the orange set, and here I'm also showing you guys the crystals I'll be using, give or take just a few of those anyways, and the glitter that's gonna perfectly match the set, and along with the base coat and top coat we'll be using. So the base coat is from the Cloud Beauty company as well, and the top coat will be from Glitter Bells. As you can see, I've also upgraded my little stand, so it's brand new, it's amazing. It looks so clean now in the videos. I'm so happy, but I have one bad thing to say. The magnets are so horrible. It's brand new. I just opened it from the pack and the magnets were so weak that it was really making it hard for me to make the nails. Every time I brushed my nail brush on the nail, it was just kind of making them fall off the stand. It was a massive kind of a flop really, so I really need to look for better quality ones. I can't really find any. I really want the ugly duckling ones, but you can't actually get them unless you're a professional, which I am actually in the process of getting my what is it called, acrylic qualification in nails, so I guess that I'll be qualified after that. But it's just so frustrating because it's just the stand. Like, really, do I really need to be a professional to get a stand? Like, come on. So unfortunately until now I'm gonna have to figure something out. I ordered two, so this is the first one I opened and I struggled, so hopefully after opening the other pack, hopefully the magnets are a bit stronger, because I feel like it looks just so much better in my videos. If not, I do still have my old mucky one, then I will try and clean it as much as possible, but it's just such a shame because I feel like the silver looks so nice, all nice and clean in the videos, but never mind, I'll see what I can do. So sorry guys if you see nails flying about in the video because they're falling off the stand. So going back to the video, I used that neon orange on the thumb and the pinky, and I used that nude on the index finger and the middle finger, and then for the ring finger I decided that I want to do an ombre. I haven't done an ombre in a while and I decided to just use my standard. I'm still meaning to buy the makeup sponges that I was advised to use to do ombres. I still haven't got around to doing that and I really want to. It's COVID times, I don't really leave my house too often, and yeah, I just kind of work from home anyways for my job, so yeah, I just kind of hadn't had a chance yet, but the moment I do, I'll definitely grab some because I'm really curious to try it out. But until then, I am using just a kitchen sponge. I just chopped a brand new one up into little slices. Here my glove decided to just kind of break. I don't even know how that happened. But yeah, so I decided to use my kitchen sponge, and to me it works perfectly fine. With some gel polishes. Some gel polishes can kind of act a bit funny and create like bubbles. So I'm not sure what's up with that. So it will be interesting to see if those makeup sponges do really make a massive difference. So I'm super excited to try that, hopefully very soon, and I get a grip and I just end up going and getting some. So this is what the set looks like right now. As you saw, I sugared that pinky. So before the whole set went into the lamp, I decided to put that gorgeous glitter on top of that pinky, and then I popped into the lamp, and that's how the pinky is looking. I now went in with a second layer of the ombre. And now I will be going in with a second layer of all my colours. So once again, I'm going in with that orange, and I'm going to go in with that nude. And I don't know, this orange, I really wish you guys got to see this orange in person. I always feel like cameras don't really give some colours justice. Some colours kind of look a bit darker or a bit too light or not as neon in videos. So I really feel like this colour is definitely neon, but a bit more on the pastel-y side than what I feel like my camera was kind of making it look to be. But yeah, I just love the Cloud Beauty gel polishes. They're super affordable if you're on a budget, super affordable. I really recommend them. My collection just keeps growing and growing. I am thinking about doing a video on kind of picking out like my 10 most favorite kind of gel polishes from the company and just kind of showing you guys, so you guys can maybe get a better understanding of what's kind of out there from this company, and if that's maybe a company you are looking into getting. So I am looking into doing that. I also love the Samalac gel polishes and a lot of other brands I really love, so I do kind of want to make videos like that to maybe kind of help you guys decide maybe what kind of gel polishes you might want to invest in and expand your collection in, because not only, as much as I love doing nail art, I also have a massive kind of love for testing out products and just buying products and trying them out and seeing what's on the market. So that will definitely be something up my alley when it comes to my channel, and hopefully I can explore that a bit more. But of course, at the moment, I will always continue with my nail art. I think it's the best thing ever. So don't worry guys, don't worry if you're not here for those product reviews or anything. There will always be some nail art videos lined up for you guys if you want to watch that. So as you saw, I already applied some top coat on the farm, and now the sets are out and I am going in with my crystals. So I'm getting my Macart Rhinestone Glue gel. As you see, it's in the little containers because my bottle exploded and I scraped up as much as possible, and I'm so glad I did, because look how much gel I still have. I know you can't see the side of the bottle, but I mean the little container, but oh my goodness guys, this bottle's this container is gonna last me absolutely at least another 6 months, I want to say. Depends how mad I go with my videos and trying out new designs, but it will definitely last me a long time. And not to mention, I have another little container just like that from that one bottle that exploded, so it's definitely gonna last me forever. Anyways, so going back to the video, I put a big AB crystal right at the top, followed by almost like a teardrop kind of looking crystal, and then I popped a smaller crystal right at the bottom of that teardrop kind of crystal, and I felt like it was still a bit bare, so I went in and applied 2 crystals. Where that big crystal and that rhinestone crystal, that teardroplet crystal kind of meets, I felt like I just kind of, I know it's not the best placement, but I feel like it kind of did the job, if you know what I mean. I still need to kind of practice on my placements, but I feel like it wasn't the worst. I feel like it could have gone better. For sure better, but at least could have gone worse as well. So that's, whilst that's in the lamp, I also applied my gorgeous butterflies. When I saw that I have some orange kind of butterflies, I feel like they were gonna work perfectly. And as you saw, they were water the cows. I absolutely love water the cows. I love the fact that they kind of, you're able to move them about on the nail whilst they're still wet, and then when they dry, they kind of just stay there, which I think is such an amazing aspect to them, because with stickers, once you place them down, you can't really move them, and you know, if you can obviously unstick them and stick them back again, you kind of just lose the stickiness. So it just, I don't know, I just feel like water the cows is so much easier. I don't know. It might actually be harder. You do have to obviously get waters and stuff, and it might be a bit more of a faffing about, but yeah, I kind of like water the cows. I wish there was more of like a selection of water the cows out there. I feel like it's fairly limited. I think there's more stickers probably out there than actual water the cows. But yes, as you see, I am now applying top coats on the last nails that have not been top coated just yet. And as you saw with that ombre nail, even though there were a few little bubbles here and there and it didn't seem too smooth, once applying the top coat, it absolutely smoothed that out, and it looks amazing now with no bumps, nothing, just kind of like it was supposed to be. So this is what it's looking like. It's going straight into the lamp, and now we've got the last finger to work on, which is the middle finger, and I've got that gorgeous orange on my little palette. I'm using my nail art brush and I am outlining where I want my French tip to be, and I'm just going to colour the French tip in, and then once again, before popping it into the lamp, just like with the pinky, we're going to pop that gorgeous orange glitter. And once it's on, we're gonna pop that one into the lamp, and then once it's out, we're gonna brush through the excess glitter, and this set shall be complete. I really like it. I feel like it's definitely more on the subtle side. It's not fully up my alley. I love when sets kind of scream and there's so much going on, but I obviously also understand that maybe not everyone would like that. So even though this is maybe a set I would not normally kind of film because of how simple it is, I am hoping that maybe there is someone out there that does enjoy it. If I do see that you guys are not enjoying those kind of videos, those more simpler, subtle kind of designs, I will try and avoid those in the future. But I just felt like just the color combinations were so nice, and this orange was also kind of out of my comfort zone. Don't normally go for oranges, so yeah, I just thought I wanted kind of to share this one in particular. It was just really kind of, I don't know, just kind of speaks to me a little bit. So as you see now, I'm going in with that glitter, just popping it onto the nail, and then I'm going to tap off any excess. I'm going to pop that one into the lamp, and then once it's out, we're going to see it after being brushed through, and then we can add it to our sets, and we can see the final results. So, oh, there we go. There goes another one. Just keep falling. So here is what the set is looking like. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to let me know if you guys like these kind of videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!